So, hello and welcome to another video, and this is another unboxing video. I've bought today the DJI Osmo 360 degree camera. So at the moment I'm using an Insta360, which I'm going to sell, but I'm going to keep everything now to DJI. And like I say, here's the new 360 combo pack. So let's get right into this and start cutting it open. DJI always make it very difficult to get into this sort of stuff. So I'm just trying to break the seal here of this box. And again, I'm struggling to do that. I think I've got it there. So yeah, let's undo it and let's see what we've got with this kit. So I'll put the rubbish just there for a second and I'll get this cellophane all off. So there we are. Let's open the box. It looks like it opens here. There's like a tab there on it, so I need to break that, and then in we go. So we've got the normal selfie stick, which we'll have a look at now. There you are. There's the selfie stick. That's there. I don't know what we've got in these other boxes. We'll have a look what's in here. So this must open at the top, and we've got a load of accessories. We've got a case by the looks of it, the instructions. I'll start opening them in a minute. So first of all then, let's have a look at the camera. The camera must be here in this box. So I'm going to open that box. And yeah, wow. Here's the camera. So there you are. There's the 360 camera. It does look a really nice piece of kit, that does. So like I say, obviously we've probably got a lot of learning and everything to do with that. Let's have a look what it's actually going to come with. So there's like a set of instructions and stickers and everything there, which I don't normally really do a lot with. I generally just chuck them back in the packet. I think this is the lens protector. Yeah, so that's the lens protector, which just basically sits on top of the camera there, so you can't damage the lens. I think we've got a case for it here. Let's have a look at this, see what we've got in here. Yeah, so there's a nice little case, like a pouch to put it in. And we've got a charging lead there, and I think an adapter as well. So there's my charging lead, and I think in here there's an adapter. Yeah, there's a magnetic adapter there which fits onto the bottom of the camera, and you can then put anything you want on, like a little stand. Or I have got here a very big selfie stick as well. So let's just see if that'll screw onto it, look, as well. So that's amazing. I can put it on my big selfie stick and walk around and do me videoing with that. Batteries, I think there's some batteries in this case as well, so hopefully there's 3 DJI batteries with this as well. I think these are the same batteries as come with me other Osmo equipment, so hopefully all interchangeable. I'm just going to have a look at this now. Yeah, so again, look, all interchangeable batteries. So that's absolutely fabulous. But I'm loving this now because it's got this magnetic mount, and I can just take that off and instantly flick it straight to my other camera, and then it works on my great big selfie pole. But it does come as well with this smaller selfie pole. So that's all good. Right, so there you are. There's the unboxing of the DJI Osmo 360. Like I say, we've got a lot to learn now with this camera. I've got put like the batteries and an SD card and everything like that, and that all goes there at the side. And then I think that side is where you can plug it directly into a mic or your USB, and we've got the powering on button there. So fabulous. We'll have a look at that a bit later and see what it's all about and see what we can do with it. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.